Let's talk about the health benefits of Damiana. Damiana, or Turnera diffusa, is a small shrub native to Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. For centuries, it's been used in traditional medicine for a variety of ailments. Let's explore why this herb might just be the next big thing in your wellness routine. Damiana is renowned for boosting libido and sexual health in both men and women. It supports hormonal balance and improves blood flow to reproductive organs. Damiana is often used to alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress, promoting a sense of well-being. This herb acts as a mild stimulant, reducing fatigue and increasing overall energy levels without the jitters you get from caffeine. Damiana also supports digestion, relieving constipation and easing bloating. It may help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate PMS symptoms like cramping and mood swings. Plus, it has diuretic properties which can aid in flushing out toxins and preventing infections. Some even believe Damiana supports mental clarity and focus. Dr. Sebi, a famous herbalist, highly recommended Damiana for its aphrodisiac properties and calming effects on the nervous system. So how can you use Damiana? You can make a tea by steeping dried leaves in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Prefer something more convenient? Opt for capsules or tablets. Remember, always consult with a nutritionist before taking these herbs, especially if you are on medication. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.